Given that 1 over 2x positive 1 positive 1 over 5y negative 2 positive 1 over 4z positive 3 is equal to 1 and 1 over 2x positive 1 is equal to 1 over 5y negative 2 is equal to 1 over 4z positive 3. What is the value of x positive y positive z? Okay, let me consider this stuff. In this stuff, all these three expressions are equal. So we can assume all the three expressions are equal to the non-zero constant k. That is the value of this one is k, this one is k, and this one is also k. Now what we can do is that we can plug in this k for each term over here in this expression. Then this equation will become k positive, k equals to 1. When I combine all the three terms on the left side, I am getting 3k. On the right side, we have 1. Let's divide both sides of this equation by 3 to solve for k. This 3 will cancel out. I am getting k equals to 1 over 3. Here I got the value of k. As we have assumed, the value of this expression is equal to k. So let's take this one. That is 1 over 2x positive 1 equals to k. 1 over 2x positive 1 equals to, for this k, we can plug in the value 1 over 3. Now we can take a reciprocal on both sides of this equation. The reciprocal of this one is 2x positive 1. The reciprocal of this one is just 3. Now let's solve for x in this equation. Let me subtract 1 from both sides of this equation. Then positive 1, negative 1 will cancel out. I am getting 2x equals to, the simplification of this one is 2. Now we can divide both sides of the equation by 2. Then this 2 will cancel out. I am getting x on the left side. On the right side, 2 divided by 2 is 1. Here I got the value of x. Now let's equate this one to k. Then we have 1 over 5y negative 2 equals to k. Actually already we got the value of k, that is 1 over 3. So instead of writing k on the right side, we can take the value of k, that is 1 over 3. Now we can take a reciprocal on both sides of this equation. Then I'm getting 5y negative 2 equals to 3. We can add 2 to both sides of the equation. Then I'm getting 5y equals to 5. When I divide both sides of this equation by 5, I'm getting y equals to 1. Okay, now let's equate this one to k, that is 1 over 3. Then I'm getting the equation 1 over 4z positive 3 equals to 1/3. The same thing, we can take reciprocal on both sides. Then I'm getting 4z positive 3 equals to 3. When I subtract 3 from both sides of the equation, I'm getting 4z equals to 0. When I divide both sides of the equation by 4, I'm getting z equals to 0. Okay, here I got the values of x, y, and z. Our aim is to get the value of the expression x positive, y positive, z. Okay, now let's get the value of the expression x positive, y positive, z. That is equal to, the value of x is 1. Let's plug in 1 for x. The value of y is 1. We got over here. Let's plug in 1 for y. The value of z is 0. Let's plug in 0 for z. Okay, here 1 positive 1 is 2. 2 positive 0 is 2. Therefore, the value of the expression x positive, y positive, z is 2.